February 26, 2022. How's it going, guys? I got some photos to show you of the Kansas City Zoo, of the wild birds out there. Don't always have to be the ones that they have behind the cages. And there was like I say, I caught a few there today, but the birds were acting very, very strange. And I don't know. It was very strange. So we're just going to go through these, and I got a couple other squirrel photos I wanted to show you guys. So hold on. There's a big old robin there. Here's one over there on that swinging bridge. It let me get pretty close to it. What I'm showing you here is that kind of like that little backup like creek. I don't know if that's considered like the Blue River there. They consider it. It goes up through there at the zoo. But what I'm showing this is across that swinging bridge. Now, if you're coming just starting across the swinging bridge, you get about halfway across there, you want to look over to your right, over to this like little cove area. Cause several times I've actually got to see, I haven't got one snapped yet, but there's catfish down in there. And they'll actually jump out of the water. But they like, for some reason, they like getting over in that one kind of like little cove area there. Now I know crappie, they like to get like, where trees have fallen and stuff, and they'll, kind of spawn in those areas like that. But I've never seen catfish jump out of the water by about 1.5 feet like that. So it's something that, like, in the spring, summertime to check it out. Here in the fall, I've seen it happen several times. So hold on, guys. There's another shot of it there, right there, too, guys. Check it out. And for other like new subscribers, there's also wild turkeys that usually you can see down here by these banks occasionally. So it's something else to look for when you're at the Kansas City Zoo there. We got us a red bird there. Some of them really had some fabulous colors too. I mean, they're really marked good. Check it out, guys. This squirrel thought he could get away from me, but he didn't. I caught him in mid-flight. And I'll show you also why they hang over in this one area too at the zoo too. It's kind of cool. I watched them do some wild things. So hold on. These kind of like, I don't know if you'd call them like little huts or whatever, or maybe they even store like some of the animals, keep them warm and stuff. Well, those squirrels, they get up underneath that. It's like, I don't know if it's like concrete, and then also where they have like the wood pieces, like timber going up there. They crawl up underneath there. The squirrels do. It's probably warmer in there and stuff, so that's where they go. But they're pretty wild things to watch when they crawl. They'll. One day, one of them jumped out at me. Uh, I wasn't realizing it was over there, but they are something to see when they get going. Anyway, guys, hold on. The lions were out today, and I'll show you a couple more photos of them. Hold on, guys. I think he was looking for some acorns, guys. What you're looking at there, guys, is a woodpecker. As you guys can see, there wasn't hardly any geese. I caught a couple in flight overhead, but I did not see hardly any out there, which is unusual because I've been out there in any kind of weather, any kind of temperature, and I don't know. It just was kind of strange. Hold on. There's another photo right there, guys. I don't see no geese out there. And this is where the ice is cracking. Pretty cool stuff, guys. Hold on. We don't want to forget our blue jay. You can't forget the camels, guys. They're a lot of fun to watch. Check it out, guys. These two little guys actually flew in and landed on this tree together. And you know what's interesting is these little creatures have been around a long time on this planet. They don't have people really trying to control them. They don't have any kind of religion to govern them. They only take from the planet what they need, and they don't do any harm. It'd be amazing if everybody could act that way. That would be, wouldn't it? Anyway, I'm going to zoom in on these if you guys can't see them too good. So hold on just a second. Okay, you guys, I'll have to make this quick. I'm almost out of memory. There's one of them zoomed in. Now hold on. And there's the other little guy right there. A blue jay and a woodpecker. They must be buddies. Anyway, guys, eyes open. Have a good one.